I met Derek at the Tokyo airport. He was standing at the gate looking at his phone like it had just insulted him. Turns out he had booked a flight from Bali to Tokyo instead of Tokyo to Bali. He was already at the airport going the wrong direction. Derek is a travel vlogger. He flies 2 or 3 times a month for content. Hotel bookings in his email, flight confirmations and screenshots, visa deadlines in his head. He had no system, just chaos spread across 5 apps and pure hope that nothing would go wrong. It always did. We started talking, and he told me he'd lost a hotel reservation the month before because he had the wrong dates saved. Showed up a day early, no room, no refund. When I told him I could fix his entire travel system in 10 minutes, he handed me his laptop right there at the gate. Here's what I built. I opened Notion right there at the gate. New page, trip planner, airplane icon, 1 page per trip, 0 surprises at the airport, and the rule that fixes everything: add everything the moment you book it. If it's not here, it doesn't exist. Derek's problem wasn't that he forgot things, it's that he saved them in random places. 1 central page fixes that instantly. First, the trip overview. 1 database where every trip lives with the key details Derek needs before he leaves the house. Destination as text. Dates as a date range. Start and end so I can see the full trip length. And status with 4 options. Planning, I'm still researching. Booked, everything is confirmed. Traveling, I'm currently on this trip. Done, back home. Derek's mistake was having bookings with no status. He didn't know what was confirmed and what was still a maybe. Flight is text, where I paste the airline, flight number, and departure time. Hotel with the hotel name, address, and confirmation number, and notes for anything else. Visa info, gear to pack, contact person at destination. 3 text fields that hold everything Derek used to scatter across 5 different apps. First trip, Bali content shoot, destination Bali, Indonesia. July 5th through the 12th, status booked, everything confirmed. Flight ANA, flight number, departure time from Narita. Hotel Villa Karma with the booking number right there. Notes, bring drone, check visa status. This is the trip Derek had booked backwards. Now it's correct, and he can see it in 1 row instead of hunting through 30 emails. Second trip, Seoul Street Food video, July 20th to 23rd, status planning, nothing booked yet. Flight and hotel are empty because he hasn't booked them. Notes say, need to book flight and hotel, budget $800. Planning status means this trip isn't ready yet, and the empty fields tell him exactly what he still needs to do. Third, Tokyo studio session. Same day trip, no flight needed, no hotel, status done. Notes say collab with another creator. Not every trip needs flights and hotels. Day trips and local shoots go here too, so Derek has a complete record of everywhere he's been for content. Fourth, Thailand for a full month, Bangkok and Chiang Mai, August, still planning. Notes include visa info, he needs a co-working space, and it's a longer trip, so the planning is more complex, but it all lives in 1 row. When he's ready to book, he fills in the flight and hotel fields and changes status to booked. Board view grouped by status, planning on the left, booked in the middle, traveling next, done on the right. Derek's entire travel schedule in 4 columns. He drags trips forward as they progress. The moment he books Seoul, he drags it from planning to booked. The morning he leaves for Bali, he drags it to traveling. And when he lands back home, done, no trip gets forgotten. Below the database, a pre-trip checklist, a toggle called Before Every Trip with everything Derek needs to check before leaving. Passport valid, flight booked, hotel confirmed, travel insurance, visa, charger and adapter, camera gear, bank notified, offline maps downloaded. He duplicates this checklist for each trip and checks items off 1 by 1. The bank notification saved him once. His card got blocked in Vietnam because he forgot to tell them he was traveling. And a packing list. Derek is a minimalist packer. Camera, drone, laptop, 3 days of clothes because he washes on the go, and a portable battery. He uses the same list every trip. No more forgetting his drone batteries in a hotel room in Osaka. Yes, that happened. 2 months later, Derek has taken 4 trips using this system. 0 missed flights, 0 wrong bookings, 0 showing up to a hotel on the wrong date. He told me the checklist alone saved him twice. Once with the bank notification, and once with a visa, he almost forgot to check for Thailand. 10 minutes of setup, months of stress eliminated. The last time I saw Derek at the airport, he wasn't panicking. He was calm, organized, and early for his flight for the first time in his life. But then he told me something. Adam, the travel planning is perfect now, but I have a bigger problem. I'm traveling so much that I can't keep track of my content. I have footage from 12 trips, and I don't know what I've edited, what I've posted, and what's just sitting on a hard drive somewhere. That's the system I'm building him next. A content tracker for creators who produce faster than they can organize. Next video, free template in the description. If you travel more than twice a year, this system pays for itself the first time it saves you from a wrong booking. Subscribe to see how I helped Derek organize 12 trips of content. And if there's a problem you want me to solve in Notion, drop it in the comments. Your story might become the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you next time.